in this video right here, I'm finna tell you the one thing I did to make my waves look a whole lot better. And it's simple, man. Stay tuned.
They wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low. Yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy, Swag Drizzler, man. Hey, look, in this video right here, man, I'm finna tell you the one thing I did to make my waves look a whole lot better, man. It's simple, you feel me? So let's get right into it. But first, man, let me show y'all my waves, man.
Wait, shake. Wait, shake.
What?
Hey. Let me tell y'all the one thing I did to make my waves look. Look at that, man. Look now. Probably can already tell. But yeah, if you ain't noticed by now, man, from the first video when I came back, man, my waves were looking totally different. So basically what I did was work on my hair health. And I realized the healthier your hair look, the better your waves look. You feel me? When your hair looks silky, moisturized, and lined up, it make your waves look 100 times better, man. I promise you. Come on, man. Huh? The products I've been using, man. I've been using castor oil. I've been using the butter. So y'all stay tuned. That butter, stay tuned, man. I'm gonna drop the secret sauce on y'all, man. I just been brushing. I started by brushing an hour a day, you feel me? 2 sessions of 30 minutes. Or a straight hour straight, you feel me, at night. I'm sticking to it. I did that for 7 days straight. But yeah, man, this is just a quick little video, man, to tell you the healthier your hair is, the better your waves look, man. No cap, you feel me?
They wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They ain't wanna